Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Federal Board, National Book Foundation, 9th class Math.
Miscellaneous exercise 1, question number 5. Determine if each statement is true or false. If false, give an example of a number that shows the statement is true. Every rational number is an integer. It is false. 1 by 2 is rational, but it is not an integer. Part B. Every real number is an irrational number. It is also false. 1 by 2 is real, but it is not irrational. It is rational number. Part C. Every irrational number is a real number. It's true because the set of real numbers is the union of rational and irrational numbers. It's mean every rational number is real number. Every irrational number is also real number. Part D. Every integer is a rational number. Yes, it is true because 5 is equal to 5 by 1. किसी भी integer में हम उसका denominator 1 रख सकते हैं. Part E. Every real number is either rational or an irrational number. It is true because set of real numbers is the union of rational and irrational numbers.